Good morning, student. Now I'm continue. In last video, we have discussed about the communalism, where we have discussed, students, its major belief and how communalism became more acute. We have also seen the different form of communalism. Today, students, we are going to see that how our country, how our country manage such communalism, students. So it is because India declared, students, itself as a secular state. Secular state means what, students? That no religion is considered here as a state religion. Means, students, government have no concern with any of the religion in our country. Every religious people are free the way in which they practice their religion. Besides, students, the constitutions provide to all individual and communities freedom to profess, practice and propagate any religion और not to follow any. पूरी स्वतंत्रता है, आप जिस प्रकार से भी अपने धर्म को मानते हैं, मनाते हैं, आयोजन करते हैं, इसमें कंप्लीट फ्रीडम है, स्टूडेंट्स. The constitutions also prohibits the constitution, students, also prohibits discrimination on ground of religion. Means, students, no people can be discriminated on any ground of religion, students. At the same time, the constitution allows the state to intervene in the matters of religion in order to ensure equality within religious community. देखिए, government have no relation with the any religion, but the very same time, if peace of the society is violated due to the religion, the government have a complete right to intervene it. That is why, students, secularism was adopted, or it is not just an ideology of some party or person. The idea constitutes one of the foundation of our country, students. Okay, our country's foundation is secularism. That, students, help us to manage the communalism. Okay, so this was the religious division, students, that we have to discuss. Now I am going to discuss about the caste and politics. My dear students, this is a unique social division in our country. It is because no country of the world have caste division. This is unique to our country, students. As since ancient time, our society was divided on the basis of Varna. Okay, but in ancient time, the division of caste, students, was based on students there. It was based on their profession, कि आप क्या काम करते हैं, इस पर आधारित था, स्टूडेंट्स. बट विथ द टाइम इट बिकेम हेरिडिटेरियस. विद द टाइम, स्टूडेंट्स, इट बिकेम हेरिडिटेरियस. तो इफ वी define caste system in our country, we find, students, the caste refers a particular community. Caste system refer, students, a particular community of people or member of the same caste that is supposed to form a social community, and they, students, interchange their own all relation within one caste. ठीक है. And caste system in India, students, caste system in India was based on exclusion and discrimination against lower caste group. Okay, the lower people, students, lower caste of people in our country were socially boycott, students, to live outside of the main dominated society. So our caste system is completely based on exclusion and discrimination against the lower caste, student. Okay, it is because the people coming from the same caste It is because the people coming from the same caste students considered or supposed to form one community. और ऐसा इसलिए कि एक जाति वर्ग से आने वाले लोग ये मानते हैं कि हम एक जाति से हैं और यही हमारा समाज है स्टूडेंट्स, है ना. एंड दैट इज़ वाई देयर इज़ द सोशल बाइकॉट आल्सो. आप कहीं भी देख लीजिए, अपने गांव के उदाहरण ले लीजिए, जो भी दलित हैं, महादलित है, तो दे आर फॉर्स्ड टू लिव आउटसाइड ऑफ द विलेज. दे आर फॉर्स्ड to live students in hygienic conditions. Okay, so that is means students have a custom, but with the time students, with the time we also see the bondage and the root of caste students became. ठीक है, root of caste students became here students due to the urbanization, education, service and learning. ठीक है, the lower caste people students is now getting a better educations, are now getting a better service. ठीक है, and due to the urbanization, जैसे आप शहर में रहते हो स्टूडेंट्स, तो शहर में रहते हैं, आप होटल में खाने जा रहे हो. ठीक है, तो होटल में आप खा रहे हो तो आपको ये पता नहीं है कि द पीपल हु आर सर्विंग यू या पीपल हु आर सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू, है ना, केम फ्रॉम द सेम कास्ट. जो आपको सर्व कर रहा है वो दलित भी हो सकता है, आपके सामने टेबल पे बैठे हुए व्यक्ति भी दलित हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इट बिकेन, रीज़न क्या है बिकेन होने का? लिटरेसी है, ठीक है, सर्विस है स्टूडेंट्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस का भी आप पूछ ले सकते हो, अर्बनाइजेशन है, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन है. दीज ऑल आर द फैक्टर्स विच बिकेन द कास्ट सिस्टम इन आवर कंट्री. बट स्टूडेंट वी मस्ट नो, स्टिल वी सी the caste system still exist in our country. जाति आज भी हमारे देश में. कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं इसको, कैसे बता सकते हैं आप? तो it is because student today even we see even the educated people students prefer to have their relation with the same caste. मैट्रिमोनियल स्टूडेंट्स आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखिए, मैट्रिमोनियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखते हैं तो उसमें लिखा रहता है कि हम ब्राह्मण लड़की के लिए मांग रहे हैं, ब्राह्मण लड़का के लिए मांग रहे हैं, और दिस ऑल आर, है ना, बाय ए फैमिली हु आर क्वाइट एडुकेटेड. ये शिक्षित परिवारों में है, तो हम कैसे कह सकते हैं जाति हमारे देश में समाप्त हो गई? बिसाइड स्टूडेंट, इन साउथ इंडिया द रूट ऑफ कास्ट इज स्टिल रिजिड. साउथ इंडिया में आज भी जाति का जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिजिड है स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हाउ कास्ट इन्फ्लुएंस द पॉलिटिक्स. कास्ट पॉलिटिक्स को इन्फ्लुएंस कैसे करता है, हम ये देखेंगे. ओके.